What's up, guys? Back with another video. In today's video I got something pretty cool. I found it out on TikTok and then I looked it up on YouTube, and there's a couple videos on YouTube about it. But I'm gonna be getting some turbo flutter. It's actually really easy. Some Australian dude explained it. All you need is a can, like an aluminum can, and you just make a gasket to cover this hole that's in here. All I gotta do is take this off, put the gasket in there, and it'll cover it. But I also seen a comment saying that if you just block off this hose, it'll be like twice as easy. So I think I don't know if it was this hose actually or this hose, but I think I'm gonna just clog this hole and we're gonna get some turbo flutter. Alright, so we're gonna do it the way that I found in the video that I watched, some crazy Australian dude. But all you need is a can. Found a Red Bull in the fridge. I'm about to send one. Here you go. Hold that. Easy chewing. Ready, boys? Right out that little hole.
Oh my god.
I don't know how to shotgun. Alright, all I need is a can. Once you have a can, you just split her open. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is just gonna cut the bottoms off where you punctured the little hole to shotgun it. Middle. Alright, so now you have just tinfoil gasket right here. Alright, so this is how to do it on the RB20. So if you have an RB20 turbo, perfect video for you. All you do is take off these bolts right here on the sides, take this hose off just like that, and I think he said to clog this hole. I think he said to clog this hole and it'll be easier. Some guy in the comments, but the way they do is they just make a gasket. They make a gasket to close this off. So just lift this bad boy up, get it out the way. This is the gasket, the one with the hole in it. Pretty much, if your car comes with this one, which is the easy way, you just get this, trace it onto the Red Bull can, like I'm about to do right now. Or you have to take that completely off and then put it in there. But this is the easy way. So if you have this gasket already, all you gotta do is trace it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Boom. Now the gasket is drawn. You see that? Perfect gasket. Now all you have to do is cut that bad boy out. Cool. So here's the gasket. Now all you have to do is cut out the holes, and I have no idea how I'm gonna do that. Alright, all you gotta do now is just drill your holes out. Fuck. Okay. Hold on, guys. This can still work. What the fuck am I thinking? Why did I think that was gonna work? I'm gonna do it again. I don't even remember how you did it in the video, honestly. What the hell is wrong with me? That is not how you do it. I don't even remember what he did in the video. So now, that failed. So what I'm gonna do is just try to fix it with this, because I really don't feel like drawing this out again. I'm just gonna try to nip at it. It should still work. I mean, all it is to cover it. So, and it's just temporary. I mean, I'm gonna leave it on for like not even a day. I'll probably take it off soon after, right after this video. Lines up, holes line up pretty good. Slap this puppy down. Boom. Gotta bolt it down. Alright, so I got it bolted down. It's literally just like a 10-minute process, and now I'm about to start it up and hear how it sounds. Okay. So I don't know. Could they hear it?
I'm sure.
Alright, go press the gas a little bit. Y'all heard that turbo flutter? That's all it takes to get turbo flutter. You just gotta block that off. Honestly forgot what that's called, but somebody will explain it. If somebody knows exactly what it is, explain it to the comments. Alright, go ahead. It sounds so cool. Now people say like it hurts your turbo, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't hurt your turbo. But let's go take it for a drive and see how it sounds. So now we're gonna go for a little drive and see how it sounds when I'm driving. Sounds pretty cool. The intake for it is plastic, so if you have a metal one, it's a lot louder. But I'm not getting a metal one anytime soon, probably never. So it's just a fun little cool thing you could do to your car. But it's not bad for the turbo. Hopefully. Hopefully it doesn't blow up on me. A little bit? No?
A little.
Sounds so cool. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it sounds pretty good. Alright, so hopefully y'all heard that, but it's definitely fluttering. I feel like Paul Walker now. Sounds pretty dope. I kind of want to leave it, but if I'm going to leave it, I kind of want to double gasket it. Kind of want to put another one, but nah, I'm about to take it off right now, actually. Oh, I kind of want to leave it, dude. It sounds cool. Like if I get like a real strong gasket, I'll probably leave it. But this is literally a Red Bull can, so it's not very strong at all. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all want to see next. Comment if you're watching, comment anything. Like, share, subscribe, that'd be great. Stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully my parts come in soon, and I'm thinking about wrapping the car, so we'll see about that. All right then, y'all. Thank y'all. Deuces!